Greetings everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am genuinely excited to delve into a topic that transcends mere finances. It's about sculpting the life you genuinely desire. Income strategies meticulously designed to propel you towards your $1 million net worth goal. Imagine the peace of mind and freedom accompanying such an achievement. It's truly life-changing. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey through 7 meticulously curated income strategies that will aid you in shaping your financial destiny. 1. Invest in real estate, the foundation of wealth. Real estate, often regarded as the cornerstone of wealth building, presents multifaceted opportunities for investors. Whether contemplating residential properties, commercial ventures, or REITs, real estate investment trusts, the potential for substantial returns is undeniable. Let's delve into the intricacies of property flipping, long-term rentals, and the art of leveraging other people's capital through real estate financing to maximize your gains. Now, cultivate a lucrative side hustle. Monetize your passions. In today's dynamic economy, the concept of a side hustle has evolved beyond supplementary income to become a gateway to financial freedom. From crafting artisanal goods to offering specialized services or monetizing digital skills, the possibilities are boundless. Let's explore practical steps to identify your unique talents, market your offerings effectively, and scale your side hustle into a sustainable revenue stream, propelling you towards your financial objectives. Harness the potential of the stock market. Navigating the investment landscape. The stock market, often perceived as a daunting realm reserved for financial elites, is, in reality, a democratized arena accessible to all. By deciphering market trends, conducting thorough company analyses, and embracing a long-term investment mindset, you can harness the power of equities to exponentially grow your wealth. Let's demystify the jargon, explore different investment strategies, and discuss the significance of diversification in mitigating risk. Foster passive income streams, building wealth while you sleep. Passive income streams epitomize financial autonomy, enabling you to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. From dividend-paying stocks and peer-to-peer lending platforms to royalties from creative endeavors and income-generating assets, we'll explore diverse avenues for creating passive income streams tailored to your unique circumstances and aspirations. Exercise prudent saving and investment practices. The Art of Wealth Accumulation. Saving and investing wisely form the bedrock of financial stability and prosperity. By cultivating disciplined saving habits, optimizing investment allocations, and adhering to a meticulously crafted financial plan, you can expedite your journey towards a $1 million net worth. Let's discuss practical strategies for budgeting, emergency fund management, and navigating market fluctuations with resilience and composure. Savings and investment strategies. Offering practical advice on automating savings through apps or bank accounts that round up purchases to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference into a savings or investment account. Stress the importance of setting specific financial goals and regularly reviewing and adjusting them as circumstances change. Income diversification techniques. Delve into the concept of geographic diversification by investing in international markets or real estate properties abroad to reduce risk and take advantage of global opportunities. Discuss the pros and cons of different asset classes such as equities, bonds, real estate, and commodities, and how they can complement each other within a diversified portfolio. Goal setting and motivation. Offer practical tips for overcoming setbacks and staying motivated during the journey to financial independence, such as visualizing success, surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, and celebrating small victories along the way. Encourage viewers to track their progress regularly and adjust their strategies as needed to stay on course toward their financial goals. Embrace income source. Diversification. Fortifying your financial fortress. Diversification is the cornerstone of risk management in wealth building. By diversifying your income streams across various asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you safeguard your financial well-being against unforeseen adversities. Let's explore the significance of asset allocation, rebalancing strategies, and the symbiotic relationship between risk and reward in achieving long-term financial prosperity. Envision and pursue. Clear financial goals, charting your path to success. Clear financial goals serve as the compass guiding your financial journey, providing clarity, direction, and motivation amidst life's uncertainties. By articulating your aspirations, formulating actionable plans, and periodically reassessing your progress, you instill purpose and intentionality into your financial decisions. Let's delve into the process of goal setting, the psychology of motivation, and practical techniques for staying focused and accountable on your path to a $1 million net worth.